especially through the Department of Defense. But more fundamental is our empowerment of our people to see alternative sources of income, including technology. We must empower everyone, even those who have been fighting in Mukutani and those who have been doing their things in Saimosoe, so that they can see another alternative avenue of making money. So we will do everything to enable you to do exactly that.
Your Excellency, you've been able also to reduce issues of insecurity in our county through engagement of the youth. You are aware, our county has been branded as an insecure county. But through the engagement, through the discussion led by the various partners on bringing the youths to do other activities, we've been able to manage issues of insecurity in our county.